and gentlemen, dear representative of LNBR member countries, Assalamu alaikum from Pakistan. First of all, I am very much thankful to the Secretariat of LNBR Forum for providing me an opportunity to express my views on this important occasion. No doubt the theme set as literature boosts dialogue of civilization is very much important in the contemporary context. I would like to congratulate the think tank of LNBR who suggested this topic. No doubt, literature is the representative of the culture and period in which it is created. Being the cultural representative, literature is the source of introduction with other cultures and civilization. It is fact that unless you are not well introduced with any culture, you cannot be able to make a fruitful and constructive dialogue with it. This introduction serves as a basis of dialogue between civilization. Through literature, the distance between heart can be reduced to minimum. Literature highlights the importance of loving one another, realizing one's rights, and being an individual as well. It is as essential to building a vibrant and beautiful society as bricks and cements are to the construction of any building. On this occasion, let me allow to mention that literary diplomacy has more power and strength to increase durability of relations among nations. While keeping this in view, I would like to put forward following few suggestions. Ladies and gentlemen, the first one, because these suggestions I would like to submit here, that this LNBR should work multidimensionally during every event. For example, LNBR Literary Festival. LNBR Literary Festival can be organized to develop a unique international literary scenario. It will help grow and groom the countries involved regarding their literary circles cherished by the common masses. Number 2, establishment of LNBR Translation Bureau. Selected literary pieces of different member nations can be translated in the language spoken in the LNBR member countries to get to know and promote mutual understanding about what is being thought, believed, and written in different member countries. This act will be more helpful for mutual understanding, on the foundation of which a strong mutual friendly relation will be built. And then LNBR book exhibition, because this is the literary network Belt and Road. So in this connection, from the platform of LNBR, book exhibition can be organized on rotation basis in different member countries to explore international book market and expand local market to international level. Then LNBR magazine. LNBR magazine can be published on rotation basis by the member countries. The advisory editorial board of the magazine may be comprised by a representative of member countries under the umbrella of LNBR. With the adoption of these humble suggestions, it is hoped that dialogue of civilization will take off to its destination as envisioned by the think tank of LNBR. Ladies and gentlemen, after me, the writers and intellectuals of other member countries will contribute their point of views regarding the topic, and this process will open a way to dialogue among civilization. It is hoped that this form of dialogue created through the sharing of thoughts relating to this topic will prove fruitful and accelerate our journey towards the establishment of peaceful and peace-loving society. In the end, once again I would like to congratulate the think tank of LNBR for choosing this important topic. I am very grateful for your patience. Khuda Hafiz.